channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How's you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is Miyasi, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and much more stylish hairstyling. So beautiful and very attractive ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls. For women, you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, fine straight hair, and so beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And different ideas of messy hairstyle. Trendy ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyle in undercut and shaved art. Trendy and very attractive collection of undercut and shaved art, some ideas in lines. Some ideas, electric designs. So beautiful ideas in zigzag designs. And trendy ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And many much more beautiful ideas. Latest collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection. New ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.